Want to unlock a top career as an M ASCP Technologist in microbiology? You're about to learn the real, no-fluff path plus the key mistake most lab pros make, so keep watching. You'll get a step-by-step guide to how to become M ASCP Technologist in microbiology. This covers what the ASCP Board of Certification expects, the exact requirements, and must-know secrets for your exam. This channel is built for lab professionals like you, chasing ASCP success, powered by MLC Academy, the leader in ASCP prep. Let's break down how to become M ASCP Technologist in microbiology, from eligibility to certification. First, earn a bachelor's degree in biology, chemistry, medical laboratory science, or a related field. Some routes also accept a master's, but you still need hands-on clinical microbiology experience. Second, gain the right experience. In the last 5 years, you'll need at least 1 year full-time clinical microbiology work, covering at least 3 of these: bacteriology, virology, mycology, parasitology, molecular microbiology, or mycobacteriology. Third, apply at ascp.org, the official site for all credentialing. Pick the correct eligibility route, submit proof of your degree and lab experience, then pay the application fee. Fourth, prep for the M ASCP exam. 100 adaptive multiple choice questions, 2.5 hours, computer-based. It's high stakes, don't wing it. Many believe any lab experience counts, but it has to be from an accredited clinical lab as defined by ASCP. Thousands have passed with our live classes, on-demand videos, detailed study guides, and expert QBank at MLC Academy. That's the full process for how to become M ASCP Technologist in microbiology. Ready to master the exam? Explore our MLC prep platform for everything you need. In our next video, we'll unpack the top M ASCP practice exam tips, so subscribe or check the channel for that one.